Today is the fifth episode of Let's Learn Our Quran, and today we'll cover the second ayah of Surah Al-Alaq. So let's start. Traditional translation is created man from a clinging substance. Here we will focus on two words. First is insan, the second one is alaq. So let's start with insan. So the root is anasa, the one who sees and feels, the one who familiarizes. Also, when a tribe leaves a nomadic lifestyle and settles in, for alaq, the second word root is alaka. Basic meaning is to tie or to relate a lower thing to a higher thing, just like rod in a well, which connects the bucket to the upper part of the well. Also, clay, which sticks or clings, is called alak. Clay can be transformed into any shape. So, I personally prefer the clay meaning in this ayah. So, combining all, created insan from alak, which means if we see something or feel something, we can change, mold to the new observation or new environment. Allah has made us like that. We can adopt to the new ways, new thinking once we see and believe in it. We are not fixed or rigid. Not only biologically we can adapt, but mentally as well. We change once we are convinced. Every human being can be molded. Of course, there will be exceptions of those who choose to stay the same. And in the coming ayahs, those are mentioned in detail. On the other hand, animal as species don't change as they are not biologically capable. For example, a lion cannot eat grass or a goat cannot go hunting. So to summarize, خلق الإنسان من علق. Humans are created in such a way that they can be convinced to change. So we should not lose hope and keep on trying to do our part. Things will change and the last brand will be established. So let me know about your feedback by commenting, share it if you liked it. Thank you very much.